Hey everyone, welcome back to the Garrison project, part of the Rivo sub channel. It's still quite windy out. I don't know, and if those that watched the last video, we're kind of in the middle of the latest high wind storm down in Poole in Dorset in UK. So we did a quick walk round. Obviously this part of the video will be on the Land Rover Series 3 projects we've got in. For those that haven't seen any of the videos leading up to this, please go back and have a look at them. It was picked up in a field, well technically a field, it was in a barn in Brecon. The farmer, we was told about the vehicle, the farmer then put us onto some details and we went over and collected it. And today, obviously the last video, sorry, that was the first one. The last video we did was of giving it a good wash, getting all the muck and crap all off it. And having a quick walk around it as such to see what condition it's in. And now we're going to try and give it its first start really, which is pretty good. Looking forward to this. It'd be amazing if we can get it running, considering it's been sat in a barn since '96, I believe. So yeah, obviously the bonnet's already off it. There she is, 1977 Series 3. We were originally told it was a one owner. Original engine car. It wasn't. When we spoke to the farmer himself, there's been a few owners, and one as the shutters are going. Yeah, as we spoke to him, he told us that once he got it, he ended up putting a Recon engine in it, which is a shame, but still, as says it is. So the bonnet's off. George, who came with me to collect it, who's been part of the Garrison since we've come in here now. He's got a friend that works for a Land Rover specialist. We're just waiting on Mo and George and the family to come down. They're going to come down, pop in, and we're going to see if we can get it fired up. Have a chat with Mo, go over what he thinks about it and what sort of tactics we take with it really, whether we sell it on as it is to go on to the next project, whether we do a full nut and bolt job, which is more down my liking I think, or if we just get it running and driving as such and sold on then. Again, as I said in the last video, when it comes down to the vehicle itself, it's not about just obviously selling it on and putting money into the charity side of things. It's more about giving the guys something to work with. So getting them out of the house, getting them down here, getting them involved in this vehicle or the motorbike which we've got. Again, if you haven't seen that video, the custom hardtail, I think that was a 78, yeah, this is 77, that's a 78. Which is just in the back of the unit up there. Hardtail chopper, 1100 Gixxer engine. But yeah, that'll be quite cool. So it was more about these projects. Yes, when we sell them off at the end, all the money will be going to charity, but at the same time, giving them a reason to come down and focus on something really. So I'll wait for the guys to get here and then we'll crack on and see if she fires up. Wow. Can't believe it's running. After all that crap as well. Wow.
The question is, will it restart?
Yeah, let's see if it does, I suppose. It did as well. It restarted as well. Jeez.
Probably.
Yeah, it might just need fuel.
Yeah, it could be fuel. So it's trying though. Might just need to foot on the gas a bit. Wow. There you go.
Great success.
I wonder how many years that's been since it started?
They said they haven't started for 19 years.
19 years. Covered in shit and still started.
Yeah.
High on fumes. Didn't even notice
That's
the
a good sign
tube.
though, isn't it?
Yeah, top and bottom rad hose is going to sting you under a tenner. Water pump, 20-ish. If you go in there... Yeah, sorry about that.
Mate got it started. Mate got it started. It's a lag.
They could smell that.
Anything in that?
There's a dribble in the bottom still, so only one of the masters is... Yeah, that is... it's right at the hole at the bottom. So something shit itself. So I wouldn't hold your luck out for brakes.
Yes. You can go, but you just can't stop. Be more Fred Flintstone.
Been in
Won't
here. We've hotboxing ourselves.
It was quite foggy.
Yeah.
He was in there going, ah.
There's nothing in the clutch either, so you're going to want...
Everything needs doing, really, doesn't it?